大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And in today's lesson, we're going to learn the fifth and last type of complex sentence in Chinese. And the logic between the clauses is purpose. It shows one clause states an action or measure that is taken, and the other clause explains the purpose, goal, or intention behind the action. So basically, the logic is in order to do something, somebody has to do something. Or in order to avoid something, somebody has to do something else. Right? And commonly used conjunctions are 为了 in order to, or for the sake of, 以便 so that, 以免 in order to avoid, or lest, 用以 used to do something, 省的 so as to avoid, or to save the trouble of something, 为的是 for the purpose of. Now let's take a look at the example sentences. In order to learn Chinese well, he listens to the radio every day. 为了学好汉语，他每天都听广播。So here we use the conjunction 为了 in order to 学好 学 is a verb, study 好 complement, show the result. So learn something well, the verb phrase, 汉语 object, Chinese. 他 subject, 每天 time adverb, 都 adverb, and means all. 每天 every day 听 listen to the verb 广播 radio object. So subject adverb and verb and the object noun. In order to arrive on time, we set off early. 为了准时到达，我们提前出发了。Again, we use the conjunction 为了 in order to. 准时 on time, 到达 arrive. So on time adverb modifying the verb arrive. 我们 subject we 提前 in advance adverb 出发 set off or leave for somewhere. And we add 了 to show the change of the state. Okay, next one. Please leave your phone number so that we can contact you. 请留下你的电话号码，以便我们联系你。Here we use the conjunction 以便 so that. 请 please, this is an imperative sentence. 留下 leave the verb. 你的电话号码 this is a long noun phrase. 你的 your modifying telephone number or phone number 电话号码。以便the conjunction so that 我们 we subject 联系 contact 你 you subject predicate verb and object. He organized the materials so that everyone can review them. 他把资料整理好，以便大家查阅。So here we use the conjunction 以便 so that. 他 subject把 we use the 把 structure. 把 you can translate it to take something and then do something to it. 把 take the 资料 materials and then the verb action that is done to the thing is 整理 organize, complement showing result, well, organize it well. Okay, 以便 so that 大家 everyone subject 查阅 check or review. So we analyze each part of the sentence, right? Know the grammatical component and why it is there, when to use, and bring an umbrella lest you get caught in the rain. Lest means to avoid. 带上雨伞 again, for advice or suggestion, we use this imperative sentence. 带上 bring 雨伞 umbrella. verb object 以免 to avoid 淋雨 get caught in the rain, right? Be caught in the rain. 淋 is a caught 雨 rain. Please check the gas before leaving home in order to avoid danger. 出门前请检查煤气，以免发生危险。So 出门前before going out. So this shows the time adverb. 请 please 检查 check 煤气 gas or the natural gas stove, right? So here is time adverb and check verb and this object 以免 to avoid 发生 happen 危险 danger. So verb and object to avoid danger happening. Right? The school bought a batch of new computers used to improve teaching conditions. 学校买了一批新电脑，用以改善教学条件。Here we use the conjunction 用以used to do something. 学校 subject school 买了 bought 了 indicate past tense. 一批 the matter word like a batch of or some. 新电脑 new computer. So here 一批新电脑 the noun phrase is the object of the verb bought. And 用以 used to 改善 the verb improve 教学条件 this is noun phrase teaching condition verb object. And next one, he took out a map in order to explain the specific route. 他拿出一张地图，用以说明具体的路线。So 他 he subject 拿出 take out 一张地图，张 is a mirror word for map. So 一张地图 the noun phrase subject verb and the object. So 拿 is take, 出 is out. So this is a verb and complement. 用以 in order to or used to 说明具体的路线，说明 explain 具体的路线 the noun phrase specific route, right? So verb and object. Next one, you had better go right now so as to avoid queuing up later. 你最好现在就去，省得一会儿排队。你 you 最好 had better adverb. 现在 now time adverb. 就 just another adverb. 去 go. So always put adverb before the verb and after the subject. And then 省得 to avoid 一会儿 later time adverb 排队 queue up or wait in line. Okay, next one. I will give you a key to save you the trouble of knocking on the door every time. 我把钥匙给你一把，省得你每次都要敲门。Here 省得the conjunction to avoid something. 我 subject 把 we use the 把 structure again. Take something and do something to it. 把 and then object the 钥匙 the keys. Okay, the action that is done to the keys 给你 give to you, right? And 一把 is the quantity complement showing the result. Like give you how, what is the result of give you? Give you one. So 把 is a matter word for the keys. 省得 to avoid 你 you subject 每次 adverb 都 adverb 要 modal verb also as adverb 敲门knock on the door 敲 is knock 门 is door. So here you can see it is subject adverb a bunch of adverbs and then verb and plus object. Okay, next one. He works so desperately for the purpose of letting his family live a good life. 他这么拼命工作，为的是让家人 过上好日子。他 subject 这么拼命 this desperately adverb 工作 work OK 为的是 for the purpose of 让家人 let 家人 family 过上 live 好日子 good life OK good life so here is a pivot right pivot 家人 is a pivot it's the object of the verb 让 let and also the subject of the verb 过上 live 好日子 object good life last one I came to find you today for the purpose of resolving the misunderstanding between us 我今天来找你为的是解决我们之间的误会 So 我 subject 今天 time word adverb 来找你 come and look for you. So double verb here. Subject adverb predicate verb and object. 为的是 for the purpose of 解决解决 is the solve. 我们之间的误会 this long noun phrase is the object of the verb 解决 right? So 我们之间的This is the adjective noun adjective phrase, right? Modifying the noun 误会 misunderstanding. Okay, pretty good, everybody. We finished learning all the types of complex sentences. We also finished learning all the types of sentences in Chinese. If you check the whole series to learn from lesson 1 to this lesson. Enjoy learning. If you have any questions, comment below and do check other videos to review or learn something new. 再见。